Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control on an Audi S3. Set the driving mode to dynamic, deactivate ESC, hold the brake, and floor the throttle to engage launch control. Release the brake to launch and modulate throttle in slippery conditions. Practice in a safe, legal area to learn clutch feel and wheel spin. Monitor engine and transmission temperatures and avoid repeated attempts to prevent overheating and wear. Warm up the engine and drivetrain first, then select Dynamic Driving Mode and S-Tronic Manual if available. Disable ESC and hold the brake firmly while applying full throttle to the floor to spool turbos and set RPM. When ready, release the brake cleanly to launch and let the car manage clutch engagement. If traction control intervenes, adjust throttle input and retry in safer conditions to build confidence. If you experience wheel spin, back off the throttle slightly or choose a grippier surface, because too much spin wastes traction. Pay attention to transmission and clutch temperatures after multiple launches to avoid damage. Alternate between full and reduced launches and allow cooling time for the gearbox. Remember that manufacturer limits vary, so avoid overusing launch control to protect your Audi S3's drivetrain and maintain long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.